The 2023 Apple iMac is identical to the 2021 iMac in appearance and really most of its features too. This is great because it's an overall fantastic design, built around a lovely high-resolution 24-inch display and available in up to 7 colors with matching accessories. The big difference is what's powering its performance, Apple's M3 silicon. And a big difference it is. This year's iMac is the second generation to have Apple's M-series chips, bringing Intel Inside to an end. The 2021 model had an M1, and Apple jumped over its M2 chips to the new M3 silicon introduced in this iMac, alongside updated 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro laptops. The performance is without a doubt impressive on all counts. Apple iMac M3 in green with its color-matched accessories in front of it and sitting on a black desk in front of a brick wall. The base model M3 iMac is $1,299, $1,399, AU21199 with an 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU, 8 GB of unified memory, and a 256 GB SSD for storage. The version I tested was a 2,299 configuration with a 10-core GPU, and its memory maxed out to 24 GB, up from a max of 16 GB on the M1 iMacs, as well as more storage. Apple iMac M3. Magic keyboard, magic trackpad, and magic mouse in green on a black desk in front of the base of the iMac. Getting Touch ID on the iMac's magic keyboard is an upsell. Apple currently offers 3 configuration starting points for the iMac, and decoding how they differ is only slightly confusing. The third option you're presented with is nothing more than a storage bump from 256 GB to 512 GB. So there are just 2 versions, the $1,299 base model and a $1,499 step-up model, and both are configurable with more storage and memory and optional accessories. However, some differences are significant enough to spend the additional $200. All right then, thank you for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. P.